Let's face it, we've all had those moments when our hair just doesn't cooperate. Whether it's persistent dandruff, frustrating hair loss, or lifeless locks that refuse to shine. These hair issues can leave us feeling less than our best. For many of us, hair health isn't just about looks, it's about confidence and self-expression. But don't worry, there is hope, and it might be closer than you think. Welcome to our channel. Please watch this video to the end. You don't want to miss any useful information in this video. Now imagine a natural, affordable solution that not only tackles these concerns, but also nourishes your hair from root to tip. Ginger, a kitchen basics with a surprising range of benefits for your hair. In this session, we're looking into 6 ways ginger can transform your hair care routine. Stick around to find out how this root can become your ultimate hair savior, complete with easy DIY remedies you can try at home. Let's jump right in. Now let's start with one of the most sought after benefits of ginger: its ability to promote hair growth. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol, which stimulates blood circulation in the scalp. This enhanced blood flow ensures that your hair follicles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to flourish. Think of it as feeding your hair roots with a powerful boost of energy. Adding ginger into your hair care routine is simple. You can make a hair growth serum by mixing freshly extracted ginger juice with castor oil. Apply this blend directly to your scalp. Massage for a few minutes and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing. Regular use of this serum can lead to visible improvements in hair thickness and length. Next up, ginger is a natural remedy for dandruff. If you've ever dealt with an itchy, flaky scalp, you will know how frustrating it can be. I tell you, very frustrating. Ginger's antifungal and antibacterial properties help fight the microbes that cause dandruff while soothing inflammation and irritation. To create a ginger scalp treatment, combine ginger juice with a tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey. Massage this mixture into your scalp and let it sit for 20 minutes before washing your hair. This remedy not only reduces dandruff, but also leaves your scalp feeling refreshed and clean. Moving on, ginger is an excellent natural conditioner that strengthens hair strands. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that nourish your hair from root to tip, reducing breakage and split ends. For a strengthening hair mask, mix ginger paste with aloe vera gel and a few drops of coconut oil. Apply this mask evenly to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse thoroughly. The result? Obviously, the hair will be softer, more resilient hair that is less prone to damage. Let's look at how to reduce hair loss. Hair loss can be a distressing experience, but ginger offers a natural solution. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce scalp inflammation, a common cause of hair thinning and loss. Additionally, ginger's antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which weakens hair follicles. Try making a ginger and green tea scalp tonic. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and mix it with ginger juice. Use this tonic as a final rinse after shampooing to strengthen your scalp and minimize hair fall. If your hair feels dull or rough, ginger can help restore its natural shine and softness. Its moisturizing properties lock in hydration, leaving your hair smooth and glossy. Create a nourishing conditioner by blending ginger juice with honey and olive oil. Apply it to your hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse well. This treatment will leave your locks looking vibrant and feeling silky. Lastly, ginger is excellent for balancing scalp conditions. Whether your scalp is excessively dry or overly oily, ginger helps regulate sebum production, maintaining a healthy equilibrium. For a balancing hair pack, mix ginger juice with yogurt and apply it to your scalp. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. This mask suits the scalp while providing essential nutrients to your hair. And there you have it, the top 6 benefits of using ginger for hair. From stimulating growth to balancing your scalp, ginger is truly a powerhouse ingredient for healthy, beautiful hair. Adding these remedies into your routine is easy, cost-effective, and natural. However, always remember to do a patch test before applying any new ingredient to your scalp to avoid allergic reactions. Thank you for joining me in learning the wonders of ginger for hair care. Try these tips and share your results in the comment section. Your journey to luscious healthy hair starts today. Until next time, take care and stay vibrant. God bless you. I love you. Bye for now.